On January 8, the Russian Aerospace Forces, VKS, launched a fresh missile attack. However, contrary to expectations of a renewed major assault on Kyiv, following previous strikes on December 29 and January 2, the attacks targeted various other cities across Ukraine. The Ukrainian Air Force reports stated that following the typical nighttime deployment of Shahed kamikaze drones from the south towards the regions of Mykolaiv and Odessa, 9 Tu-95s bombers took to the air from Olenya Airport in Murmansk region around 3 a.m. These aircraft are known to be equipped with Kh-101 and Kh-555 cruise missiles. The tally of Tu-95s bombers later went up to 11. Additionally, at approximately 5:40, 4 Tu-22 M3s were noted taking off from the same airbase, armed with Kh-22 or Kh-32 missiles. Simultaneously at around 5:40, a Russian Su-35 or Su-34 launched guided missiles over Sumy Oblast heading towards Poltava Oblast and Kharkiv Oblast in the direction of Dnipropetrovsk Oblast. It was later confirmed that these were Kh-31P anti-radar missiles. By 6:26, Ukraine's airspace was invaded by cruise missiles, fired by the Tu-95s, via the Sumy region. These missiles veered towards western regions, Dnieper and Vinnytsia, after crossing the border of the Kyiv and Cherkasy regions. At this time, the Kh-47 Kinzhal MiG-31K carrier aircraft also took off from Savaslayka Airport in Nizhny Novgorod Oblast, heading towards the Dnieper. The first Tu-22 M3 missile launch was reported at 6:58. Followed by the launches of 2 more MiG-31Ks from the same airport, which released Kh-47 Kinzhal missiles, aligning with ballistic missile attacks on the Dnieper, Kryvyi Rih, Kharkiv, and Zaporozhye. In essence, the VKS enacted a combined assault, employing cruise missiles primarily aimed at the western regions, Kh-22 or Kh-32, Kh-47 Kinzhal, in combination with ballistic missiles directed towards the central and eastern regions of Ukraine. The Tu-95 is a strategic missile-carrying bomber powered by 4 Kuznetsov NK-12 MPM turboprop engines made by Tupolev. The MSM variant is likely to feature a more powerful variant of the NK-12 MP turboprop engine. According to details available in the public domain, the new upgraded Tu-95 MSM is also equipped with a modern radar and navigation system and an airborne defensive complex. Further, the designers have reportedly developed a drive gear for the strategic bomber that generates more torque without any weight penalty. The first flight of the bomber was conducted in August 2020 at the Taganrog aviation plant, and the UAC released the footage of the flight in 2020. The video showed the iconic Russian bomber with coaxial contra-rotating propellers that were seen taxiing, taking off, and landing after what was known to be 2.5 hours of the test flight. According to previous reports, The upgraded aircraft includes the Novella NV-1.021 phased array radar, a new flight control and information display system, and the Meteor New Mexico II airborne defense complex, capable of jamming opponent ground and aircraft-based radar. Additionally, the new Bear model has enhanced Kuznetsov NK-12 MPM turboprop engines, a new SOI-021 information display system, a new weapons control system, and new engines. These are believed to extend the strategic bomber's range and cut the vibration from the motors in half. A statement previously obtained by TASS read, "The NK-12 MPM engine developed by the Samara-based Kuznetsov Public Company, part of the UEC, United Engine Corporation, within Rostec, is a modification of the NK-12 MP, the world's most powerful, 15,000 horsepower, serial-produced turboprop engine." It improves the aircraft's takeoff characteristics and increases the load-carrying capacity and the flight range of the missile-carrying bomber. The new power plant uses more powerful propellers created by Aerosilla Research and Production Enterprise, while the unique design solutions have almost halved the vibration level, the statement reads. This is an aircraft with a new set of weapons, new onboard electronic equipment, new modified engines, new propellers. The combat capabilities of the plane have doubled after this modernization, Yuri Slyasar, General Director of United Aircraft Corporation, said, commenting on the first flight of the Tu-95 MSM, according to the Zvezda television channel. Compared to the Tu-95 MS variant of the aircraft, the upgraded Tu-95 MSM variant is reportedly capable of carrying 8 to 10 more missiles under its reinforced wings. Even though the aircraft was launched several decades ago, in the 1950s, it is anticipated to fly until 2040 after the upgrade with the MSM variant.